So sitting comfortably with your spine straight and your body relaxed. Roll your shoulders back and down. Just relaxing. Taking a deep breath in for about 3 seconds. And deep breath out. Reversing the direction. Rolling your shoulders the other way. Good. And now gently, we're just going to do some neck rolls. So just lower your head to one side. Gently roll all the way down to the bottom. Come up without throwing your head back completely, just kind of neutral and back around again. Good job. And reverse. And of course, if you feel comfortable too, you can close your eyes and just kind of flow with the movements. Good job, everyone. Good job. Good. And back to the center. You're just going to gently allow your ear to come towards your shoulder. Just gently put your hand on your head. Not really applying pressure, just very, very gentle stretch. Big breath in and out. Breathing in and out. And one more time. And out. Beautiful. Switching to the other side. Big breath in and out. Breathing in and out. One more deep breath in and out. Good job. Shake it out a bit. And so let's practice a complete breath once again. So you can put your hand on your chest if you'd like to, and one on your stomach. We're going to breathe in for 3 seconds. And we can even imagine when we breathe in, this is 1. Down the passageway into your lungs is 2. Feeling it fully in your stomach is 3. And then releasing 3, 2, 1. Good. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Couple more rounds. Just breathing quietly on your own for a couple more seconds. Good. And so, Indy, you mentioned that you couldn't sleep. Doing something like this right before you go to bed can really help to calm your whole body down, calm your mind down, will help you to get sleepy and cozy. And release. Good job. Putting your hands on your knees, breathing in, bringing your heart center up to the sky, shining your heart to the sky. And as you exhale, curve your spine. Imagine you're a big spoon and pushing out all the air. Inhaling. And exhaling. Good. Inhaling. And exhaling. Inhaling. And exhaling. Good job. Coming back to neutral spine. And this time when we take a big breath in, we're going to stretch up to the air. And as we exhale, we're going to gently lower our arms down. And inhaling, scoop your arms up over your head. Exhaling down. Good. You can drop one hand down. The other arm, breathe in and stretch over to the side. Beautiful. Inhaling, breathing in, stretching up, big heart center. Open and exhaling over to the other side. Good job. Wow. Inhaling one more time on the other side. Beautiful. Another deep breath. Really stretch up this time. Big open arms like a star and exhaling. Good. And coming back to center. This time we're gonna roll our shoulders back and down again. Just really noticing if there's any tension at all and just shake it out. Shake it out. Good job. And this time, big breath in and exhaling. We're gonna hold a little twist. Just do a nice deep twist for our spine. Inhale, imagine you're getting taller, and exhaling, twisting a little bit deeper. Couple more breaths here. Good. Inhaling back to center and exhaling, going the other way. Nice and tall. Beautiful job, folks. Good job, ladies and gentlemen. And back to center. And sometimes we forget to, stretch out our little joints. So let's do some wrist rotations today. I don't know about you, but sometimes mine are a little crickety-crackety. Good. Yeah, let's go the other way. And let's see if we can do our ankles, do our feet, little rotations with our feet. See if they can go the same way and the other way. And let's see if your balance is really good. Let's see if we can do both. Oh, look at you guys. Good job. And coming back to center. Excellent. So coming back to stillness. Actually, let's do another little shake out before we come back to stillness. Let's shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake out everything. Shake, 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 shake. Squeeze it together. Big breath in and breathe it out. Let's take another big breath in. Squeeze it together and one more time. Big breath in. Squeeze it in and out. Whew. That feels good. And just shake your head. No. Shake your head. Yes. Shake it now. Now maybe just give your face a little massage. Sometimes, especially in your jaw, around your temples, everything can be a little tense. Very nice, indeed. Looking good, lady. Oh, it feels good. You might be freezing a little bit. All right. So coming back to stillness. So I am once again doing my favorite card because I think in a time like this is especially important to really, really be in a state of love and kindness and really having a lot of gratitude for everything we have, despite it being a little bit challenging sometimes. Okay, so we are going to do for my favorite little mindfulness deck once again. Yeah, mindful kids. I love this deck. So we are going to do the loving kindness practice once again because it really helps me to be in a state of loving and kindness and just kind of flowing with it and just trying to keep my heart open, because sometimes it can be a little bit irritated or a little overwhelmed when we're in the house a lot. So you have to try to find ways of keeping it kind. So once again, this one's about greeting people with peace in your heart. So it says, let's sit mindfully with our spine straight and your body relaxed. So let's roll your shoulders back and down. Really get rooted and comfortable in your seat. Good job, very nice. And take 3 mindful breaths to really just settle down. And 3. So if you choose to, you can hold your hand over your heart if you choose to. I like to. And repeat to yourself, may I be happy. May I be safe. May I be peaceful. And may I be kind. Just breathe all that love in. And as you breathe out, send that love out further. Send it out to your friends and your family. And now think of those people who you care about most in this world. And repeat to yourself, may you be happy. May you be safe. May you be peaceful. And may you be kind. Breathe that love in. And as you breathe out, imagine that love is like a cloud of kindness that's spreading even further so that it swallows up the entire world. And now imagine people you don't even know yet. Maybe a boy or a girl on the other side of the world who may be having a hard time with everything that's happening right now. Maybe someone's sick. And repeat to yourself, may you all be happy. May you all be safe. May you all be peaceful. And may you all be kind. Just breathe that love and kindness in. Imagine those people on the other side of the world just receiving your love and smiling and feeling comforted. So continue your day knowing that everyone wants to be happy just like you. Next, deep breath in. Maybe just close your eyes for a moment and just think of 3 things or 3 people that you are most grateful for in your life. Just take a moment of silence to really think about that. Perhaps think about how that person or thing makes you feel, maybe why you're grateful for having it or them. Just really sit in a state of gratitude and love. We are all so very blessed to have so much, to have so many people in our lives that love us so much. Well done. So take a couple more deep breaths. Really, really feel that gratitude. And I'll be asking you in a moment, what is it that you are most grateful for?